Good morning, all of you. I, Razia Patan from Grandaji Vidyapit, standard 5th. Today we'll start revision. In that revision, we'll start unit number 5th. In that unit number 5th, we'll start multiplication tables. Now you all are knowing how to write the tables, but here we'll do some practice for tables. Okay, so in that vertical and horizontal, that both the things 1 to 20 numbers are there. In the middle, multiplication sign is there. So what we have to do, we'll do multiplication tables. 1 ones are 1, we have to write here 1, 1 twos are 2, 1 threes are 3, 1 fours are 4, 1 fives are 5, 1 six are 6, 1 sevens are 7, 1 eights are 8, 1 nines are 9, 1 tens are 10, 1 elevens are 11, 1 twelves are 12, 1 13s are 13, 1 14s are 14, so on 20. So on still 20. Same as it is, table number 2 is completed for us. 2 to 40 is there, 2 20s are 14. Table number 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 fours are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30, 3 elevens are 33, 3 12s are 36, so on 16. Still 16 तक. Then we'll start table number 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48, 51, 54, 57, 60. ठीक है. Then 4 ones are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48, 52, 56, 60, 64, 68, 72, 78, 76, 80. Still 80 is there. Same 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. 6, 12, 80, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, so on 120. Same as it is 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 17, still on 140. Now what you have to do, students, you have to complete the worksheet number 1 and before 3 o'clock you have to send it to me. Look at this and write it down in your rough book. I'll give you 1 minute. So you have to complete your work. Okay. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Okay students, so now look at this image. In this image, one boy and egg tray is there. So Raju buy egg from a shop. The egg are available in a packet of 6. One packet mein how many eggs are there? 6 eggs are there. Okay. So if Raju buy one packet, he will have 6 eggs. How many eggs are there? 6 eggs are there. Okay. So how many eggs will Raju have if he buy 2 packets? One packet में 6 egg है. ठीक है. So 2 packet अगर वो purchase करता है, then how many eggs are there? 6 plus 6. So 12 is there. 6 plus 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 is there. If the Raju purchased 3 packets, if how many eggs will be Raju have if he buy 3 packets? 3 packets अगर उसने परचेज किए है तो उसके पास कितने एग होंगे? How many eggs are there? In there 18 eggs are there. How many eggs are there? He will have a 18 eggs. How many eggs? 18 eggs. Now look at this. How many eggs will Raju have if he buys 6 eggs? So in that 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. One packet has 6 eggs. 6 packets, 6 into 6, 36. Now the number of eggs Raju can buy will always be in the table of 6. These numbers are called multiples. ये number को हम क्या बोलेंगे? What we said? Multiples. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 6 threes are, so on 6 10. Right? Now, multiples of a numbers is numbers that comes in its tables. Multiples of the numbers is a numbers that comes in the tables. Now look at this. In this tables, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48, 6 nines are 54, 6 tens are 60. Multiples of 6. This answer, this all 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 20, 42, 48, 54, 16. This all are multiples of 6. This all are multiples of 6. Okay, students. Now, multiples. What was the multiples? Multiples of are numbers, the numbers that comes in the tables. For example, multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. These all are multiples of 4. Then multiples of 7. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49. These all are multiples of 7. Multiples of 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So this all are multiples of 10. Now factors. This one is the multiples. Now what was the factors? So factors is factors of a numbers are equal numbers that divide it equally. Factors of numbers are numbers that divide it equally. For example, 4, 1, 4, 1, 2, 4. Example of 16. So 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Example of the 45. 1, 3, 5, 9, 15 and 45. Now prime number. What was the prime number? The prime numbers are the numbers have only 2 factors. Prime numbers are the numbers have only 2 factors. The prime numbers between 1 to 20 are there. So in the 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 30, 70 and 90. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 30, 70 and 90 is there. Now look at this everyone and write it down in your notebook. Okay students, now look at this. Multiples tables are there. So in that 1 to 10 numbers, you all are knowing how to write the table number 1 to 10. But then also I'll explain table number 1 and 2. 1 ones are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 1, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 40, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. Is there. So like that you have to complete the worksheet. You have to complete the tables 1 to 10. I'll show you here. I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete it. whatever things is completed, you have to complete and show it to, you have to give it to me. Okay. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Okay students, now worksheet number 2. In that worksheet multiples are there. So finding a multiples of fractions. So what was the multiples? What was the multiples? A multiples of the numbers is the numbers that comes in the tables. A multiples of a numbers is a numbers that comes in its the tables. So in that step 1, draw some blank, write the given numbers in the first blank. 3. So step 2, multiply the numbers by 2, write the products in the second blank. 2 2s are 6, 2 2s are 6 is there, 3 and 6. Step 3, multiples the numbers by 3, so write the products in the third blank. 3 3s are 9. Same, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18. 3 6 9 12 15 and 18. 3 6 9 12 15 and 18. Now students, I'll show you. Look at this. Find the multiples of numbers given below. So in that 2 is there, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 7 is there, 7, 14, 20, 28, 35, 42. 4 is there, 4, 8, 12, 60, 20, 24, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 20, 40, 60, 80, 48, 60, 72, okay. So students, 12, 10, 10, 10, 10 ones are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100 and 120. Okay. Now, what you have to do students, now you have to complete this worksheet. I'll give you 1.5 minutes. You have to complete it, and you have to do the practice. your homework is you have to complete this worksheet, and before 3 o'clock you have to send it to me in a WhatsApp group. Okay, everyone? I hope so, students, your work is complete. Bye, everyone. Have a nice day.